Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Kingston and we're going to look at the 3 miles overpass. This is it straight ahead. It's a double overpass and it's the only double overpass in Jamaica. This intersection where it's built is actually the busiest intersection in Jamaica. Spanish Town Road, Hagley Park Road, they intersect here. And if we were on the ground floor and we went right, that would take us to Marcus Garvey Drive and the wharf. If we turn left on Hagley Park Road, that will take us to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest area in Jamaica. And we are currently on Spanish Town Road, which is the lower of the two overpasses. The top one is Hagley Park Road. And if we continue on this road, it would take us into downtown Kingston, which is the busiest. Downtown Kingston has the largest population in Jamaica. It's also a very busy area. So we're going to make a U-turn here and go back on the overpass. We're on Spanish Town Road, and the overpass is at 3 miles, so they call it the 3 miles overpass. If we continue straight, we will continue into downtown Kingston. Now we can get another look at the overpass. If we were to turn left here, that would take us onto Bell Road and into the manufacturing sector of Jamaica. A lot of manufacturing goes on down that road, a lot of factories. But we'll make a video of that another day. So here you can see overpass. It was built by the Chinese, China Harbor Engineering Company. This was a project put in by the Jamaica Labour Party, the JLP as the party is called, or the government, has really put an emphasis on improving Jamaica's infrastructure. They have built a lot of roads, improved a lot of roads, and this overpass is one of the projects that they did. And it's actually built in the park right below the overpass is the Portia Simpson Miller Park. So this area was for the former Prime Minister of Jamaica, Portia Simpson Miller. Or this was her area where she was MP for. So we're going to turn around and we're going to drive under the overpass now. So this area, if we were to turn right and go across the road, that would take us into Olympic Gardens. Okay, so if we were to go straight there where those persons are walking, that would take us into Olympic Gardens. But we're back on Spanish Town Road and we're going to drive underneath the overpass now. As you can see, companies have banners up on the overpass. I can imagine how much they pay for that kind of advertising because it's very visible. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Okay, so if we were to turn left, we would go on to Hagley Park Road and go up towards Halfway Tree. If we turn right, we would go on to Marcus Garvey Drive, and that will take us to downtown Kingston and also to the wharf. And if we go straight, that will take us back on to Spanish Town Road. But we are on Spanish Town Road now, we'll continue on Spanish Town Road. As we said earlier, this is the busiest intersection in Kingston, probably in Jamaica. and so that's why the overpass was built here. And it has made a good impact on the traffic. So if you're trying to get to downtown in the morning, you have an easy flow of traffic. Although Spanish Town Road is being renovated, you can take Marcus Garvey Drive. And to get to the wharf, it's so much easier now. So good things, a lot of improvement happening, good things happening on the roads for Jamaica. And of course, Hagley Park Road was recently renovated, so you have an easy drive into Halfway Tree. As with most stoplights in Jamaica, you have persons that will assist you in cleaning your windscreen. Three Miles also has a lot of manufacturing businesses down here, so that also adds to the amount of traffic that uses these roads. Okay, so we're turning right now. We're going to head on to Marcus Garvey Drive. Actually, this is still Hagley Park Road. A little further down, it turns into Hagley Park, into Marcus Garvey Drive. So you can see the bottom of the overpass here, large concrete structure. On the left is the Hunts Bay police station, and straight ahead where you see those cranes, that's Kingston Wharf. It has like Kingston Container Services is the official name, but okay, if we turn left there, that would be Bell Road, and that's where we have a lot of manufacturing plants or manufacturing businesses. Yeah, people just call it Kingston Wharf, but it has, the official name is Kingston Container Services Limited, something like that. You can see the cranes. This is the busiest wharf in Jamaica. It's the main wharf, so a lot of traffic passes through here. Alright, we're going on to Marcus Garvey Drive now. If we continued straight, that would take us down to the Portmore Causeway that leads us into Portmore. But we're turning left and going on to Marcus Garvey Drive. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.